Want to unlock the secret weapon to skyrocket your Shopify sales? We're diving into how to integrate Google Merchant Center reviews to your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify Admin panel. This is where all the magic begins. Next, click on Apps in the search bar. Type in a reviews app like Judge, Lux, or Stompedio. These apps act as the bridge between Google and your store. Select the app that best fits your needs and install it. Once installed, navigate to the app settings. Look for an option related to Google Shopping Feed, Google Reviews, or Google Merchant Center integration. The wording might vary slightly depending on the app. Connect your Google Merchant Center account. You'll likely need to authorize the app to access your Google Merchant Center data. Follow the app's instructions carefully. The app will then automatically sync your Google Merchant Center reviews and display them on your product pages. It may take some time for the reviews to appear, so be patient. Congratulations! By displaying these reviews, you're instantly boosting customer confidence, increasing conversion rates, and unlocking higher sales. Make sure you are actively engaging with your reviews on Google Merchant Center.